What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. We got Kakashi, Akatsuki. So alternate universe Kakashi. Be really good if Naruto sort of did this kind of multiverse of madness thing. It'd be kind of good if they did like characters who were actually like different versions of themselves. It'd be pretty cool. I think it'd be a good idea. So anyway, in this one, we're on landscape page. Use pencil and eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. Sketch it out lightly and all that kind of stuff. So start with his eye. Center point of my page about here. Up over to the right. And we'll start with the Sharingan eye. So he's just got one eye open. So we'll go up. Diagonal. And then we'll bring it down. And then we kind of hook it back in. And you thicken this up just a little bit. Then the bottom eyelid line just comes across underneath there with a skinny sort of eye. And then iris inside pupil. And then Sharingan. So you can do whatever kind of Sharingan you want. We'll do his normal sort of, yeah, we'll do the normal one. So we'll go dot there, and maybe one up the top somewhere, like you can't really see there. And then we do the little lines that come off them. One up there, and maybe like some lines going around the eye. So we're connecting them like that. So his scar will come up from his eye, right? It'll go underneath his headband. But we'll draw in a little bit of it up this way, and then this one will go down underneath his mask. We'll draw it in. Right, like that. So then we have his eyebrow, so it'll come up to the scar, kind of stop, jump over, and it goes under his headband somewhere there. So it kind of stops here, and then goes back that way underneath the headband, right? And then maybe like an eyelid line just here, and a line for his nose just there. So his other eye across here is closed, so you just do this like curved line like that, and you're about the width of his eye over, so the width of this eye will fit in between, and that's where the other eye starts. And then you just kind of thicken this up to try and make it look like eyelashes, like a closed eye like that. And then we have an eyelid line above, and his eyebrow, same sort of thing. You go up underneath his headband on this side, and then you add just a bit to color in. And then his nose will go down there, and maybe like an eye line that side. So now the mask just comes across underneath these two eyes, so it just goes up and down, kind of like an arrow pointing up, and the headband just goes across the top here, so it closes in his eyes. And we join these together with the side of his face. Just there and here. And then we have sideburns just on the side. And so then the rest of his face comes down to there. Down for his jaw into there. And then we have the Akatsuki cloak and hood and things coming across all this. So it like cuts off his chin. Going back that way, right? And we can see a little bit of his neck going down into there. A little bit more maybe on this side. And then his ears. So the headband will go up this way. And then the ears will kind of stick out from the headband a little bit here. Down. And then ear lines inside. Like so. And then spiking lines here. For hair, speaking of hair, so then he has these big spikes just coming down the side here. And then the headband will come across the top. Like that. And then smaller spikes going that way, and then they go across here. Like so. Then we have the metal plate just in across the headband here. Curving around like so. Just this sort of rectangle with sort of curvy edges. And then we have the metal studs, just these curved lines on that. And then we have the symbol for the leaf. So we've got a spiral first, and then the tail. And then it has like a beak pointing that way. And then a scratch mark because he's been kicked out of the village in this version. So our headband is sort of blowing in the wind. It's like going off this way. And the other side of it. To there. And then we go another one. And then the collar side of it comes down here. The other side down there. And then of course we have the red line that goes all the way down to there. And then we'll have like fold lines and things. Like bump here, and the shoulder just goes down. And then, so that cloud symbol, right? So kind of bumps around here. We'll jump over the red. Bumps around up to a bit of a spike or something here. And then inside, like a red and white edge. It's white around and then red in the middle. That's pretty much it, I think. That's everything. That's how to draw Kakashi Akatsuki. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.